Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to insert your own logo, your edits in CapCut PC. So here I've already opened the CapCut PC and I've already imported a video. Then what you need to do to add your own logo is just import the logo first into the CapCut PC. So go to media and then click on the import button and just find the logo on your computer. So for example, okay, I want to add those logos right here. Click on open. Okay, so this is the logo, and to insert it to the video you can just click on the plus icon in here. Okay, and put it at the top of the video like this so that it becomes an overlay. And after that you can just adjust the size and also the position where you want to put the logo. Okay, like this for example. And after that you are done. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please